Yeah, hello YouTube.
There we go. We got the old one out.
The old master cylinder for the Prelude's out. It's probably messed up.
Probably. So
Where'd you put the new one?
the new one's right here.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully this will
Nice
solve-
and shiny.
solve the problem.
Get some Honda stuff done.
Alright guys, we got the Prelude working here again. It's at my mom's place. It's in the garage. So what's going on here is you can tell we got that brand new master clutch cylinder. We're gonna be replacing that. Alright. So yesterday, a couple days ago, been trying to bleed this off. It's just spongy. Clutch pedal is spongy. Been trying to bleed it off. I've run out of fluid already. It's still a little bit in there, but I ran out of fluid. Trying to bleed it off multiple times, and it won't get solid. It's just spongy. It won't get strong. It just won't get a steady, solid pedal. I can see a little bit of fluid coming out of that slave, but it's not holding pressure at all. I've been probably trying to bleed it off for about 10-15 minutes, and you can tell if you have a problem like this, it's not holding pressure. I've been trying to bleed the air out, and there's no more air come out, and it's all fluid coming out, but it's still spongy and no pressure. You're gonna need a brand new master clutch cylinder. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna change it, and it's right there. 2 nuts inside the firewall. We're gonna take that 2 nuts off and that line off, and then there's a nut and a pin on the pedal, and the 2 nuts coming out right here. So that's all you need to take the old one out, and then we'll put this new one in. Alright, let's get started. What we're gonna do is gonna take out this locking pin, and then we're gonna take out the pin after you take out this little lock, and then this rod will come out, and then after that we'll take out those 2 nuts, one right there and the one on the other side. Alright, so that pin is out. It broke in half. It's right there, the locking pin. And now we're gonna take out this pin right there. It will come out on the other side. There you go, that's the pin, and this whole thing should be loose away from the pedal. And now let's take out those 2 nuts. Alright guys, so it's a 13 sockets on those 2 nuts right there. So you can see that this is easy to take one on this side, but on the other side is behind those brackets, so there's not much room in there. So the best, see if I can show you the nut right there. There's the nut right there hiding, and then there's much room to put ratchet in there. So the best solution I got here is a extension, a 4 and a 2, so 6-inch extension coming straight from here. Where's that nut? I can see it right there. Here's the nut right there, yeah. Put extension there just like this. So here's the angle from the side. This is how you're gonna take that nut from this angle with the extension. Okay, so when that's out, and then you take out the other side here, that is simple and easy. And then that master clutch cylinder will Alright guys, all the nuts and bolts are gone. One came out as a stud and the other one came out as a nut. So this side is good, this side is all loose. Let's go to the other side under the hood. That's the master clutch cylinder right there. Okay, so this should be loose just like that. It's loose now. So we're gonna take out this brake line, and then we're gonna take out this reservoir. It will come apart, that bolt right here, and that brake line fitting is 12 millimeter. So let's slowly take this one out, and then when you get this line out, make sure catch the fluid in the rag because it's gonna start dripping.
Yeah, hello YouTube.
There we go, we got the old one out.
The old master cylinder for the Prelude's out. It's probably messed up.
Probably. So
Where'd you put the new one?
the new one's right here.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully this will
Nice
solve,
and shiny.
solve the problem.
Get some Honda stuff done.
The one on the fender, on the close of the fender, it's tough because you can't see it. I'm trying to put a bolt on that side right there.
Yeah, I can feel it getting tight.
Yeah, I can see it's coming out of the.
That's tight.
Okay, good, perfect. Can you tighten the nut?
Already tightened the other one.
Nice, that worked. All right, guys, we're gonna put this rod into the pedal. Make sure. I'm just doing a video, talking to myself. We're gonna adjust this nut to line up the hole right there, and we'll put the pin back on. All right, I got the pin in there. Look at the pin. Now it's time to bleed this cylinder.
Alright, so I need this size. So I think it's an 8 mil.
8 mil
Yeah, better get that off the hose. That gets hot.
on that bleeder.
Yeah, I think it's 8 mil. Now we're gonna bleed this H22A and hopefully you have clutch pressure.
I hope so. Bleed this sucker down.
Bleed this sucker.
Alright,
by
boy.
the way, you can use code Chubb's Garage to save 10% on Raid Shadow Legends. No.
False advertisement.
Actually, I have a code for them.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay,
Right in.
okay, let me know now if you wanna.
Push it like a bunch. Watch the fluid, Mikey. Do not let that go empty. What's that go, Mikey?
Like, you want me to keep pumping it?
Yeah, pump it. I'll pump it probably by hand for a while.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, pump it. Yeah, you have to pump it a bunch first. Slowly, though.
Okay. Is the fluid going down?
It won't at first.
Right. Go ahead. Yeah, it moves.
It feels way better.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to move that boot over.
Huh?
Oh, nothing. There's the boot that came off, but
Oh,
it was just a dust. Just a dust boot.
Chubb's first ride after bleeding the clutch. Smoke machine cued. See how she goes.
It feels good.
Yeah. It looks good. A lot nicer than that Chevy over there.
Alright guys, so sorry but not showing you how we bled this clutch hydraulic cylinder here. I have to do the video inside of the car while I was pumping the brake pedal, but it's pretty easy. Pump a couple times, hold it down the pedal, and then my buddy will crack the valve open, air come out, fluid come out, shut it off, and then pump the pedal again 3, 4, 5 times. Hold it down on the floor, crack the bleeder valve, and then fluid will come out, or air. Just keep doing that. Maybe, I think we tried it like 6 or 9 times. Just keep pumping, keep bleeding till we get a good firm pedal, stiff pedals, and then Just keep an eye on the reservoir, make sure it's always full. Now it's always full. And then yeah, just keep pumping it till the pedal is stiff, and then you lock it down, lock it in place, and then that's it. And then go for a drive. Make sure you go adjust that nut, this nut right here. Make sure you get that adjustment. Okay, factory setting is the pre-play, like this, is about 1/4 of an inch moving, or 1/2 inch, around there. That's the factory play of the clutch pedal. So this is good. This is good. All right, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and a like, because I'll be doing a bunch of vehicles like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Some of you guys probably care, but this is the old one. This is the one that crapped out. I don't know how can you test if this is bad or good. I'm gonna put rag in here. I'm gonna just compress it. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty soft because there's no pressure that holds it down. Air just come out right here. So that's it. This is just that's the end of the road for this clutch right here. Clutch master cylinder.